This green spaghetti or poblano spaghetti is absolutely delicious. And I know what you're thinking. Green spaghetti? How could that be good? When I tell you that this spaghetti is rich, creamy, and flavorful, I mean every word. And the secret is the poblano pepper. Trust me. Let's make some. Here are your ingredients. You're going to need some poblano peppers. I have 4 here. Put these on a baking sheet. You're also going to need some Mexican crema. You're going to also need some cotija cheese. And you're going to need a block of cream cheese that's nice and softened. You're going to need some diced onion and also some garlic cloves. And we cannot forget about a bunch of cilantro. You are also going to use a little chicken stock and, of course, spaghetti. You cannot forget about the spaghetti. This is everything that you need to make this recipe. Let's get started by putting our poblanos in the oven on broil for 10 minutes. You want to broil all sides. While our poblanos are in the oven on broil, you want to make sure that all the sides are going to be browned. You're going to saute your onions and garlic in a skillet, and you're going to saute until they are nice and soft and translucent. After you have sauteed your garlic, let's make the pasta according to the directions. Make sure that you salt your water before putting the pasta in, and you're going to cook for approximately 15 minutes. While our pasta is cooking, I have taken the poblanos out of the oven, and you see they are nice and charred. This is what you want. You want them to be nice and charred on all sides. After you have taken them out, we're going to put these in a Ziploc bag or a bag that closes. And what we're going to do is we're going to steam these poblanos. We want to make them nice and soft so the outside skin is easily removed. Place them in there for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes is over, we're going to take them out, and you can see that they're going to be really nice and soft. And we want to remove that outside skin. I always have a bowl of water next to me because I'm going to be touching the hot peppers, and I dip my hand in the cold water to relieve my hand from the hotness of the pepper. You're going to go around and remove all of the charred skin from the pepper, and this pepper is nice and hot, so dip your hand in the bowl to give your skin some release from moving the pepper. After you have removed all the skin, you're also going to take the top off, and that is where all the seeds are. So I'm going to show you this. I removed all the skin, and it should come off nice and easily, right? You see that? See how it's easily peeling off? And then we're going to remove the top. If you want your sauce to be spicy, you can keep the seeds in there. I am going to remove the seeds because I don't want my sauce to be very spicy. And there you are. And you're going to continue to do this with the rest of the peppers. I'm going to show you again as I dip my hand in the water. Well, this top came off first, and it's okay. You can remove it first or remove it last. It's up to you. You're going to go around and just take the skin off of the poblanos, and putting them in that bag allows the poblanos to get nice and soft, and the skin is going to remove easily. After you have removed all the skin and the seeds, if you wish, it's time to finish the sauce. I'm dipping my hand in the water one last time to get the remaining pepper off of my hand. Now, to the blender, we're going to add those poblanos that we just skinned. We're also going to add a bunch of cilantro, literally the whole bunch. We're going to add the softened cream cheese, half of the cotija cheese. We're going to add that Mexican crema that's going to make it nice and luscious. And we're also going to add that chicken stock. Once you have everything in the blender, it's time to add that beautiful onion and garlic that we sauteed earlier. And then we're going to add just a little bit of cumin. The cumin is going to add some smokiness to the sauce, but be careful. You don't want to add too much. After you have all the ingredients in the blender, you're just going to blend this until it gets nice and combined. And you want to see that beautiful green color. There we go. Once it's all nice and green and combined, it's time to heat this sauce up And we're going to finish this pasta. To a warm skillet, we're going to add that beautiful sauce. We're going to season this up just a little bit. We're going to add some salt. I'm using some pink Himalayan salt, but feel free to use whatever salt you like. And also some fresh black pepper. And that's it. Salt and pepper, nice and simple. Then we are going to take our pasta that we have resting and we're going to add our pasta to this sauce. I reduced the heat a little bit because I don't want my pasta sauce to scorch or get burned. So turn it down to like a medium heat. Add your pasta and we're going to stir in the pasta mixed until it's all combined and let the pasta cook in the sauce for about 1 to 2 minutes. The pasta's already done. We don't want this to overcook. After everything is nice and combined, your pasta is done and it's time to serve this up. It is smelling absolutely delicious. Here we go. Time to serve it up. Look how beautifully green this pasta is. Oh, I cannot wait. I am using a white plate because I feel like it's a great contrast to this beautiful green color. I'm not serving this with anything else, so I'm going to give myself a nice helping. I'm going to spoon this up. Look at that. Oh, it is beautiful. I'm going to wait till all the little noodles fall out. I'm going to put this big scoop in the middle of the plate. Since this is all I'm eating, I'm going to add just a little bit more. I deserve a little bit more of this pasta. I'm going to spoon a little bit more on top of what I already have. It's looking and smelling delicious. And then I'm going to garnish it with the remainder of the cotija cheese. There you go. Bon appetit. Let's eat.